Hi there guys, welcome back. I just wanted to do a little post review on our little owl that we got. Okay, so we'll go through those in a second. Let's have a look at this beautiful little owl. It came out a lot nicer than what I thought it would. I just wanted to highlight a few things. The only thing that I was a bit concerned with was, if you notice if you look at the two different sets of eyes, I'm just trying to, now that is all one color, and then that, there's red in between there, but I'm guessing you could change that out if it really bugs you all that much, but you can't hardly tell when you're looking at it. And then the other thing, and I don't know whether that was supposed to be like that, but it bugged me, so I changed that. Only the one side you could drill these, the other side didn't have the symbol or the stickiness, so I just added that in. But other than that, I was really happy with how well it came out. The colors were really nice. Yeah, so I'll just pull that out a bit. Hopefully you guys can still see. Let's see if, I think we're all zoomed out. Oh no, there we go. Can zoom a bit more. Right, here we go. I don't know what the glare is doing. Anyway, so let's just flip it around so we can have a look at the drills. Quite a lot still left, even when we're looking at the specials. Here we go, you can see how much of the little special drills we still have left. And then for the rhinestones themselves, still heaps left. I wouldn't say that you'd probably be able to do another little owl, but most probably about 3/4 of the way, if not complete. So those are the little drills. And then the trash. Yeah, I'm not, I don't know whether it is just because it's the gem ones, and it is just what it is. It's where it coats the silver coating on the wrong side, and then there were a couple with a little sticky out, but where it's or over pour, over cover, or whatever. If it really is that much of a, if you're really short in some way, you can just pick that off, so it's not a big deal. And then there was one or two that just didn't have that silver part in that at all, but it just is what it is, really. This one didn't pour, or didn't get the facets on it, so, but nothing out of the ordinary from what you would normally get with a little special diamond. So again, this is a special drill. I paid $4. Have a look at it while I talk, because it's really cute. Sorry guys, I have got an allergy or a cold, or who knows what's going on with this nose of mine. Okay, so we got this from the Ying 1989 store. I paid $4, and I waited, what was that, about 3 weeks. It took me 3 days to do. I didn't have much time this week to do any diamond painting, well, a lot of diamond painting, so I only did a couple of hours at a time, so I probably, at a guess, probably about 4 or 5 hours. I did not trace myself on this, so I just really enjoyed it. Nice, easy going, just a break from the dandelion. I know I said I wouldn't start another project, but I thought this one is a little quick and easy one, just as a quick break from the dandelion. Now I can carry on with the dandelion again. Alright guys, please keep an eye out. I've got quite a few videos coming out this weekend. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.